So, welcome back to another video. Little pig update. We just have 4 left. They are not really hungry, but they are eating the cracked corn and all the donations. What?
Leftovers.
Leftover donations. Yeah. So yeah, the pigs are doing fine, and we were yesterday on the farmers market, night farmers market in Callingwood in Edmonton. It was a perfect day. We met a lot of people, German people, French people, Russian people and Canadian people. Yeah, tomorrow I will take you to another farmers market, our regular one, the Sunday one. And I will show you how our setup is. See, the pigs are happy. We got the feeder back. We filled up the feeder with corn, cracked corn, and some pellets. So let's dump this water and get fresh water in it, and then see you on the market tomorrow. Welcome to the Callingwood Farmers Market. Okay, this is our setup. Here's Sam, our samples, and now he's doing some hand washing station. Now I want to say, show you the setup. It's not done yet, but wait a second. Okay guys, our setup is done. Let's have a tour. This is from the back. Here's the truck. Yeah, that's it. I'm doing some videos of the market. See, maybe we have some people they want to be on camera. Okay, right now it's a good farmers market. Sometimes it's a little bit slow, but then I can do some videos with you guys and tell you how it is. For sure, we are selling all the pork, all the pork cuts, and today we have schnitzel and meatballs and samples. Hello. Do you want to try the meatballs or the schnitzel?
Sure. That's way too bad.
That's a meatball, that's a schnitzel. it's $11, and the schnitzel is coming in a pack of 2 for $19 a pound.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all pre-cooked. You're just going home, throwing them in the pan with a little bit butter, and it's good. Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Do you want to try the schnitzel and the meatballs?
Okay, I'll try it.
So, that's the schnitzel and that's the meatballs. Please try both.
Okay. I will try them. I'll try the meatball.
Try the schnitzel too. It's good.
Schnitzel is good.
Thank you. Garbage is here.
The meatball's good too. I make meatballs.
That meatball's really good.
Okay, Cindy is going with you guys a little bit over the market and we'll show you what is going on here. And yeah, that's my cow. Have fun.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your
Okay guys, it was a good day. We are sold out of everything, almost everything. And yeah, we're coming back next Sunday. So we have a half hour left. I wasn't able to film more than I was hoping to, but we had a good market. That was awesome. Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of pre-orders for next Sunday and a lot of orders to deliver some meat and sausages and yeah, but thanks for watching and see you in the next video when we are back by the pigs and we will have a lot of fun with the pigs, the small ones. Okay, see you next video. Bye.